Today we are in Kennesaw and I am here with Raitha from Kerley Family Homes, and we are in the neighborhood of Gunnerson Pointe. So Raitha, why don't you start me off with just tell me a little bit about this community.
We are so happy to have Gunnerson Pointe here in beautiful Kennesaw. This decorated model is the gorgeous Washington floor plan, which offers 4 large bedrooms, and the master suite has a beautiful sitting room and an elegant master bath and separate tub and shower and huge his and her master closets. The main floor offers separate family room, dining room, chef-inspired open kitchen with extra large walk-in pantry, a study which also can be used as a bedroom on the main, mudroom, and oversized covered deck to enjoy the beautiful wooded lot. Elegant finishes throughout all homes include granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, upgraded trim, open staircases, and hardwood floors. Each home is built with the home buyer's comfort and needs in mind. That's why we are proud to offer the benefits of natural gas in these homes. Natural gas is clean, safe, reliable, affordable, and efficient. We include natural gas furnaces, water heating, fireplaces, and cooktops because no matter the season or the weather, every family deserves energy they can depend on at a cost they can afford. Gunnerson Pointe offers a variety of floor plans with 4 to 5 bedrooms, and we have 2 plans that offer the owner suite on the main floor. Prices start in the high 500s. The whole family will love this centrally located community with excellent schools and great location.
Speaking of location, Raitha, tell me a little bit more about this area.
Well, Gunnerson Pointe is in the center of a lot of Kennesaw's most desirable attractions. These attractions include Kennesaw Mountain National Battlefield Park, Big Shanty Park, Kennesaw State University, and Town Center Mall. The new and exciting Truist Park and Battery Atlanta is just a short drive away from dining, shopping, sports, and entertainment. This community is close to US 41 and I-75, which makes for easy access to all of the many locations in the area. At Kerley Family Homes, it's all about the value. When you purchase a home at Gunnerson Pointe and use one of our preferred lenders to finance the purchase of your new home, we will provide $10,000 in seller-paid closing costs. This promotion may not last long, and there is no better time than right now to purchase your new home.
Raitha, if someone is interested in learning more about Gunnerson Pointe, what's the best way to do that?
Our offices are open Sunday through Monday, 1 p.m. to dusk, and Tuesday through Friday, 11 a.m. to dusk. We are here anytime you need us. You can give us a call at 404-960-1569, or you can reach us at any time at kerleyfamilyhomes.com.
Raitha, thanks so much for being here with me today. And to learn more about natural gas and natural gas products, go to atlantagaslight.com. And remember, nothing says welcome home like the comfort of natural gas.